Hello everybody, what's up? We will learn in this video how to fix Cash App black screen problem easy and quick. So you have to come and open your settings of your phone, and right now you should come to your apps option. Here now on your apps option, as you see, you have to wait until it loads in all the application that you have on your phone. So when it will show you all the application, you have to come and search for your Cash App. So I search for Cash App. Sorry. You open it like that and come directly to your storage. Click here, clear cache, sorry, and then back, click force stop and click here OK. And right now the last step, restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.